have to turn my phone to silent. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You have to excuse my face right now. I know it looks tired. I wasn't feeling well for a couple of days. That's why I haven't been able to put up a video. But I'm trying to get back into the groove of things again. So I figured, hey, Valentine's Day is just a couple of days away, so let's do a really pretty Valentine's Day look. I'm going to try to keep it simple, so it's something that you can go out with and look pretty on your date or whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day. And yeah, just something really simple. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to actually stick with this MAC palette, which is called Keepsake. I'm going to do just a nice goldy brown look. I'm going to use this color right here and go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a nice base just to set my primed eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to go in to my crease with that color to deepen up my crease a little bit. Then with this color right here, I'm going to go ahead and deepen up that a little bit more. I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm bringing that out just a little bit just to give an illusion of a winged eye. Now with this brush right here, it's a fluffier brush. I don't have any product on it. I'm just going to go over it just to soften that up. With this color right here, I'm going to make it a little bit darker. I'm using the same fluffy brush. It just takes a little bit of time just to blend everything, but if you take your time and blend it all well, it'll look so much better. We're going to take this champagne-y color right here and put that over our lids. I'm going to take a flat brush like that, and I'm going to go right over the lids. You want to go back in with this color right here with your fluffy brush. You just want to go over the edges and swipe it up top just to bring everything together. Your look is almost done as far as the eyeshadow is concerned. You just want to go in with a very clean, fluffy brush and just go over the top just to blend it a little better. So now that we have the eyeshadow done, we're going to go ahead and line our eyes. I just want to do a really nice winged look. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my LAKME Insta-Liner. First, I'm going to take this brush right here, which is a flat brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the lines in my eyes just to see where I want it to go. You don't have to do it this way. This is just the way I prefer to do it. So I'm packing the liquid liner right where my lashes are, just right in there, so then when I go over, I don't have to worry about not covering that area. So that's pretty much just an outline of what I want it to look, and I was trying to do the same type of line on the other side. I would definitely take your time with this because this is the hardest part. You just want it to look as even as possible, and taking your time will definitely save you time later. I'm going to go ahead with my pencil liner, my thin liner, and go over that line with more depth. So now I think the liner is done. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and put on my falsies. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on, and I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. For my lashes today, I'm going to use none other than the Ardell Demi Wispies. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on and I went over my lash band with my black eyeliner just to make sure everything is kind of good and even. Now I'm going to take my Pixi Silky Eye Pen, which is a eyeliner, a black eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and tightline my eyes so that it looks like my lashes are fuller. So you just line the bottom right there. Ooh. Now that most of the eyes are done, I'm not going to touch the bottom yet. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the face. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Primer. So since my lips do feel a little dry to me, I'm going to go ahead and use this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I got this in my Ipsy bag a while back, and I don't really use it that much, but I feel like it gives it a little tingle, but it mainly just makes my lips glossy. So then we're going to go ahead and color correct our face. I'm going to use the e.l.f. color corrector in Deep Skin Tone.
Do my usual spots, which is under my eyes. They really need some help under my eyes. Try not to tug too much. I'm going to use some right here, some on my cheeks. I feel like I end up using it all over my face because I have all these acne scars.
This is what happens when you don't get enough sleep and you don't drink enough water. I was really bad this week with that. I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just go ahead and pat it in. So today for foundation, I'm going to use the BECCA Ultra Coverage Complexion Cream in Cafe. Wow, this is ultra, I can't even, ultra coverage. Yes, BECCA, it's good. Now for my concealer, the usual, we have the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. Trying to be really careful under the eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead with my Superstay Better Skin foundation in Rich Tan, and I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Okay, I'm liking this look so far. Now I'm going to go in and contour my face with my NYX Pro palette in the color, this is not the color Sculpt. I think I told you that I got the wrong color for this palette, but I can check what color it is. It's Sepia. I'm going to go in and contour my face with Sepia. Try to chisel out that jaw. Who needs diet when you can just use makeup? So I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to do my nose. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here to do my nose contour.
I'm just going to take a clean brush and just kind of brush over the sides, just to blend that in just a little bit.
Now for our blush, we're going to go ahead and maybe I'll use the Tarte blush in Feisty. I'm gonna just fluff that over my cheeks with this Lisa Frank brush. Do you guys remember Lisa Frank? Oh my gosh. Like, her drawings and stuff are just so pretty. Look at that, Lisa Frank. Cute. It's a cute brush. So I forgot to do my brows. I'm gonna do that now. The reason that I forget my brows is that I normally don't do my brows like I said before, so I never think of it as a step to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm using this Ofra eyebrow pencil. Just clean that up a little bit. Okay. Was it really necessary? I don't know, but you know what? Why not? Now I'm gonna do my under eyes with the same MAC eyeshadow palette that I was using before, and I'm gonna take a nice little pencil brush right here and go in with this brown color right here and line my under eyes. With the same mascara I used before, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Pencil in medium. I'm going to line my bottom waterline. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up your eyes a little bit more to kind of give you a little bit more of that white space for your eyes. So now I'm going to go back into this goldish color right here just to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also going to go into my inner corners with that.
I feel like it gives it the right amount of glow for my eyes.
I'm going to go ahead and, even though I just wanted a light contour, I'm just going to go ahead, because you know I do this every time I go back into my contour, because I always put a light coat first, but I'm going to go back into my contour with this color right here, which is Sepia, and just deepen that up a little bit more. So now I want to do a nice red lips. I think I'm going to use the NYX Butter lipstick in Lifeguard. Whoa. This is buttery. Oh, I like this. All right, so our last step, and one of my favorite steps, is highlighter. So we're gonna go in with our Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer highlighter. that I got in my Ipsy bag, and we're gonna give it a try. So that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna take my fan brush right here, and I'm gonna lightly coat it like that. Cap off the excess and give our face a nice glow.
Ready? Oh yeah! Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah.
I am really feeling this look. Oh my goodness, this looks so pretty. So pretty! Am I going crazy with the highlighter now? Of course I am. I am feeling this look. I feel like I need to change my earrings, because I mean, we're not extra enough. Ooh, girl. Let's take a Snapchat, you know? I am really feeling this look. I wonder if I should make my lips a little bit brighter because of the earrings, because I really like these earrings. Let's see. I'm thinking of going in with this Smashbox Legendary lipstick, and it's like a much brighter red, like right like my earrings, right? Let's see if that works.
Get rid of some of the color on the center. We're experimenting over here, people. Experimentations.
Oh my gosh, so much brighter. This works with my earring a little better. The other one was a little bit darker. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like what I put together. I think this is a great look for Valentine's Day or for any other day. And I know a red lip is a very bold lip, but I think it's really nice when you pair it with a nice neutral eye, something very simple. So I think this really works, and I hope you guys really like this look, and I hope you guys do give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the support you guys give me. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. That's it! The video is over.